Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Cloner on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now scroll down and tap on Apps. Then select Dual Apps over here and pick app that you want to clone by clicking on the switcher next to it. I will go with Facebook because it's recommended, so I have to click on it and tap on the switcher over here. Then click Turn On and wait. Now when I go back, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!